I'm going to quick review on it. Now, what is Whatconverts all about? It has to do with lead tracking for marketing agencies and clients. It is the only lead tracking and reporting software trusted by top PPC and SEO professionals to grow value for clients. So you can turn good into great ROI, that is return on investment. Now, what are the features? Features are call tracking, as you can see here, call tracking, form tracking, search and filter leads, qualify leads, marketing reports, custom reports, chat tracking, e-commerce, value leads, export leads, marketing intelligence, real-time reporting. So these are really great features. So let's look at what else we have. These are the latest updates. Now, when it comes to lead tracking, it helps to capture calls, forms, and chats. Capture all your leads and marketing attributions for all conversion types. Call tracking, like we said earlier, form tracking, chat tracking, and e-commerce. The under lead management, we have auto-organized leads for you. Every lead from every marketing campaign all in one place. Sort, value, and qualify your leads in one platform. So you can search and filter leads, qualify leads, value leads, and export leads using Whatconverts. We also have analytics and insights where we have in this place, this is one place to see it all. So smart lead tracking reports with actionable insights show which marketing channels and keywords deliver the best leads. You can see. So we have marketing reports, custom reports, marketing intelligence, real-time reporting. So who uses Whatconverts? This is a perfect tool for, you can use it for roles like agencies, marketers, franchises, and businesses. And for by industry, hospitality, finance and insurance, real estate, automotive industry, health and wellness, doctors and medical industry, dental, plastic surgeons, education, HVAC and plumbing, lawyers, manufacturing, hospitality, and so much more. So when it comes to integration, they have over 1,000 integrations available. So they work with software tools you already use, keeping your work efficient and familiar. You can see the tools we're talking about here. So you can even search for more or browse for integrations. Now it is very fast and simple to set up. They'll walk you through it. So you have about 4 steps. The first step is to create your account. Second step, add tracking code. Third step, select web forms, and fourth step, add phone numbers. Now, when you create your account, you start your 14-day free trial by entering your name, email address, and password. You can sign up for free by clicking here. Then how do you add tracking code? You get a tracking code from the Whatconverts dashboard and add it to your site. So you can also choose the forms on your site you want to track and connect them to Whatconverts. And lastly, you match tracking numbers to marketing sources and start capturing calls. As simple as that. You can also search for more help documents. So they have plans that you can choose for. They have individual business plans and agency business plan. For individuals, these are the business plans, and for agencies, these are the business plans, and they are affordable. So don't just take their word for it. You can check out the customers have to say. So you need to grow your business. Do it with Whatconverts. It's very easy. 14-day free trial, easy setup, and dedicated support. You can start a free trial or schedule a demo. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try.